Welcome to the CCN News Desk. Today we're talking about concealed carry, firearms, and reciprocity laws in Massachusetts. Massachusetts, home of the Boston Tea Party. Now, hey guys, remember, this is not legal advice. Please consult your state's official government website prior to acting on anything stated in this broadcast. And as always, for the most up-to-date information, please visit our Massachusetts reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com. Let's kick it off with our first question. Kate?
Does Massachusetts recognize constitutional carry? Basically, does Massachusetts allow you to carry a gun without a permit? No, unfortunately, constitutional carry is illegal in Massachusetts. Does Massachusetts allow open carry of guns? Open carry is technically legal in Massachusetts with a license to carry. It's an uncommon practice in the state though, and authorities can charge you with brandishing or menacing and revoke your license if you choose to do so. Is concealed carry legal in Massachusetts? You are permitted to carry a concealed weapon in Massachusetts with an LTC. You'll have to complete a state-approved training course before applying, and guns aren't allowed in certain locations around the state. A background check and fingerprinting are also part of the process. How difficult is it to obtain a carry permit in Massachusetts? Massachusetts is a may-issue state, meaning that just because you meet the necessary criteria for concealed carry doesn't guarantee you'll receive a license.
Can you carry a concealed handgun in a vehicle in Massachusetts? Yes, with a license to carry. Unlicensed individuals cannot have a gun in their vehicles. Can you carry a concealed firearm at roadside rest areas in Massachusetts? Yes, with a license to carry. Can you carry a concealed firearm in state and national parks, state and national forests, and wildlife management areas in Massachusetts? Yes, with some federal restrictions on buildings. Any structure on a national park or forest is considered a federal building. Can you carry a concealed firearm in bars and restaurants that serve alcohol in Massachusetts? Yes, with a license to carry. How do you know you're from Massachusetts?
How?
Your favorite adjective is wicked.
How do you know you're from Massachusetts?
How?
Just hearing the words New York puts you in an angry mood. How many states recognize my Massachusetts permit? 13 states recognize full reciprocity in Massachusetts, and 14 states recognize reciprocity with restrictions in Massachusetts. Where can't I carry a concealed firearm in Massachusetts? Since this question varies from county to county, we recommend you check your local government's website and visit the Massachusetts Reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com for the most up-to-date information.
Can you carry or possess a firearm on hotel property in Massachusetts? Yes, although individual businesses can implement restrictions. Concealed carry licensees should always check with the hotel to clarify their position in advance. Do you have a duty to notify a police officer that you're carrying a concealed firearm in Massachusetts? Nope, you have no duty to inform. However, we recommend that you always inform the officer that you are lawfully carrying a concealed firearm. Are no weapons allowed signs enforced in Massachusetts? Nope, these signs are not enforced in Massachusetts. While the signs are not enforceable by statute, they serve as a private property revoking permission to carry on the premises. Does Massachusetts have any red flag laws? Yes, a family member or law enforcement officer can file a petition requesting the surrender of a firearm, license to carry, or federal identifier. Does Massachusetts state law define brandishing? No, but carrying a firearm aggressively could lead to charges of assault with a deadly weapon, which is a felony. Does Massachusetts have laws regarding carrying of a concealed firearm while using alcohol or chemical substances? Yes, you're prohibited from carrying a weapon while under the influence. Massachusetts has 2 seasons.
What are they?
Winter and construction.
What did the last person to get across the town in under 3 hours start yelling?
What?
The British are coming! The British are coming! What is the legal age for handgun purchase in a concealed carry permit in Massachusetts? The minimum age is 21 years old. Can I bring my concealed firearm to another state when I visit? Yes, Massachusetts shares reciprocity with 27 additional states. Please refer to concealedcoalition.com's reciprocity maps for more information. Can you conceal carry weapons other than handguns in Massachusetts with a concealed carry license? Yes, stun guns. Is it legal to own a taser or a stun gun in Massachusetts? Yes, with an LTC. Is it legal to buy or use chemical spray or pepper spray in Massachusetts? Yes, it is legal in Massachusetts. Does Massachusetts have magazine capacity restrictions for handguns? Yes, no more than 10 rounds. Does Massachusetts have ammunition restrictions? Yes, but anyone with a license can purchase all legal forms of ammunition.
Does Massachusetts issue concealed carry licenses to non-residents? Yes, with the completion of an approved training course. Does Massachusetts allow the public to access concealed carry registry information through public records law? There is no public access to this information. Is a permit required to purchase a handgun in Massachusetts? Yes, an LTC or FID is necessary for all purchases. Are background checks required for private gun sales in Massachusetts? Yes, the seller must verify the buyer's federal identifier. Do handguns need to be registered in Massachusetts? No, but the Massachusetts Executive Office of Public Safety and Security records all transfers. What is the minimum age to possess and transport a handgun in Massachusetts? You must be at least 21 years old to transport in Massachusetts.
Well, that's all the time we have for you today. Thanks for tuning into CCN, your Concealed Coalition Network, helping you protect what matters most. I'm Kate.
And I'm Sam.
And remember to be a guardian always and a warrior when needed.